Hey there, Money Masters. Welcome back to your favorite channel where we make wealth building fun, easy, and oh so exciting. How are you all doing today? I hope you're ready because this video is all about money smart moves and we're focusing on building skills that lead to wealth. Now, let me ask you this, have you ever wondered what sets wealthy people apart? It's not just luck or privilege, it's the skills they master and use daily to create opportunities. Guess what? You can do it too, starting right here, right now. Let's dive in, but first, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that button right now, BOOP the like button, and let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to grab a notebook, you're going to want to jot these down. Every skill we're about to cover is like a golden key unlocking a door to a brighter financial future. So, as we go through these tips, think about how you can apply them right away in your own life. Take notes, pause the video if you need to, and remember it's never too late to start building the life you deserve. Remember, this isn't just about money, it's about creating a life of freedom, possibilities, and impact. And hey, why not share this journey with a friend? Wealth building is always more fun when you're growing together. Did you know that being a good communicator can earn you a spot in the Wealth Building Hall of Fame? It's true. Let's break it down. Whether it's negotiating a higher salary, pitching a business idea, or even selling products, clear and persuasive communication is your golden ticket. Imagine a scenario where you confidently pitch an idea to your boss, resulting in a promotion. That's the power of communication. Start by practicing active listening. When you truly understand someone's needs, you'll know exactly how to respond. Use tools like Toastmasters to practice public speaking or apps like Grammarly to improve your written communication. Don't forget nonverbal cues, your body language says as much as your words. Write a 60-second pitch about yourself and practice it in front of a mirror. Bonus points if you try it out with a friend or colleague. Here's another quick tip, always tailor your message to your audience. Whether you're talking to an employer, a client, or a business partner, make sure your words resonate with what they care about. This shows that you're not just a good speaker but also an empathetic and strategic communicator. And don't underestimate the power of storytelling. Sharing personal experiences or relatable anecdotes can captivate your listener and make your message unforgettable. People connect with stories, so practice weaving them into your communication style. Want to master communication like a pro? Stick around, we've got more money-making tips coming your way. Here's the deal, in today's world, tech skills are non-negotiable for wealth building. From basic computer literacy to coding, the opportunities are endless. Learning tech skills doesn't mean becoming a software engineer overnight. It could be as simple as mastering Excel to analyze data or learning how to create a website with WordPress. Start small. Platforms like Coursera and YouTube offer free tutorials on everything from graphic design to data analysis. Try mastering Canva for graphic design or learning basic coding through Code Academy. These skills are in high demand and can make you indispensable at work or as a freelancer. Sarah, who learned graphic design online, now earns 6 figures creating logos from her living room. What's stopping you from doing the same? Pick one tech skill and dedicate 15 minutes daily for a week. Watch how quickly you improve. Don't go anywhere. Next, we'll talk about a skill that's guaranteed to make you money even while you sleep. Money grows where knowledge flows. Understanding how money works is your key to passive income. Financial literacy is all about knowing how to save, invest, and grow your money. The first step? Budgeting. The second? Understanding investment options like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track your expenses and stick to your financial goals. A little consistency goes a long way. If you invest $100 monthly at a 10% annual return, you'll have over $75,000 in 20 years. That's the power of compound interest. Open a free savings or investment account today and set a small goal to save or invest monthly. Imagine being financially free just because you decided to understand your finances. It's possible, and we're just getting started. Your network is your net worth. Let me ask you, who's in your circle? Networking is about creating relationships that open doors. Whether it's a mentor, peer, or someone in your dream job, connections matter. Attend local events or join online communities related to your field. Platforms like LinkedIn are gold mines for professionals looking to connect. Start by crafting a strong profile and reaching out with personalized messages. Daniel attended a local business meetup and met an investor who funded his startup. What opportunities are waiting for you? Don't forget, networking is a two-way street. Offer value to your connections, share resources, provide support, or celebrate their achievements. People appreciate those who genuinely care. Take advantage of tools like Calendly to schedule one-on-one chats or virtual coffee meetings. Even a casual 15-minute call can lead to big opportunities. Connect with 3 new people this week online or in person and see where those conversations lead. Want more insider tips on networking? Stay with me, we've got even more game-changing skills coming up. Problems are just opportunities in disguise. If you can solve them, you're on the fast track to wealth. Being a problem solver makes you indispensable at work and opens doors for entrepreneurship. Start by identifying common challenges in your industry. Use frameworks like brainstorming, SWOT analysis, or the 5 whys method to dig deeper into problems. Journaling ideas is another great way to train your brain to think creatively. The key is to approach every challenge with curiosity instead of frustration. It's a mindset shift that pays off big time. Entrepreneurs like Elon Musk solve big problems and make billions doing it. Even on a smaller scale, solving a workplace issue could lead to a promotion or bonus. Identify one recurring problem in your life or work and brainstorm 3 solutions this week. Stay tuned, the next skill will surprise you with its simplicity and power to transform your financial future. Money isn't just about numbers, it's also about relationships and decision-making. Emotional intelligence, EQ, includes self-awareness, empathy, and decision-making. It's the secret sauce to managing stress, negotiating effectively, and leading others. Practice mindfulness daily to boost self-awareness. Role-play difficult conversations with a trusted friend to improve empathy and communication. Start keeping a gratitude journal to maintain a positive mindset. Imagine negotiating a raise with calm confidence and empathy. That's EQ in action, and it works wonders for your income. This week, try active listening in every conversation and notice the difference it makes. Want to learn how to combine EQ with financial strategy? Let's keep going. Time is money, and how you manage it determines your success. Time management is a superpower for achieving your goals. Successful entrepreneurs often use tools like time blocking to prioritize tasks. Use a planner or productivity app like Notion to organize your day. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to learning a new skill or working on a side hustle. Elon Musk uses time blocking to manage multiple billion-dollar companies. If it works for him, it can work for you. Plan your week in advance and stick to your schedule. Notice how much more you accomplish. Stick with me to discover how these skills work together to create unstoppable wealth-building momentum. And that's it, Money Masters. Remember, building wealth is a journey, and every skill you learn brings you closer to your goals. We've covered communication, tech, financial literacy, networking, problem solving, emotional intelligence, and time management. Which skill will you start with? Let me know in the comments. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, BOOP the like button, and leave a comment with your questions or video requests. We're here to serve you, so let's grow together. Until next time, stay money smart and keep shining. Bye.